lot faster and it's got a lot more carbonation. The gun's clean. No more gunk.
This is the before. We clean the lines. What's the taste?
Just kind of like soda. I guess like Sprite, but it's not. I mean, it's not very bubbly.
Okay. And now we just clean the lines and rinse them.
That is night and day difference.
So it's...
So there's way more effervescence. You can tell that the lemon and lime, it's much more crisp. Flavor's a lot more bold.
How does that taste?
Now I'll start drinking soda again. Which probably isn't good, but